Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the fascinating world of life safety systems. I got a new alarm in the mail, and I'm wanting to show it to you. If you noticed, I've taken the devices off the demo board. That's because I've been testing. This chart may give the new alarm away, but I have got a system sensor mass. This is a 1215 model. And when I got it in the mail, it had a few issues. One, the driver in it was weak and it was super quiet. It was almost inaudible. And two, it didn't come with any tone clips. So, I took matters in my own hands. I fixed the issue of the driver by replacing the original driver with an old computer speaker I found laying around. And it was the perfect fit for inside the horn. And for the tone clip problem, I put together a little switch box that I'm going to show you. But you may be wondering, how do I hook up the switch box? And that is with the magic of this hacked in RJ45 connector that I've installed. So there's the new speaker for the driver. I had to do new wiring for the speaker and for the strobe because it was disintegrating. And that all that little thin copper wire is running to that connector for the switch box. And the switch box is over here. We have 3 switches labeled ABC to correlate to the different tone tabs. So now, I've got a functioning system sensor mass with remote switch box, so I can now change tones at will. And another thing is, these frequencies on here, the 800, 1000, and 2400 hertz, no longer apply to this mass. As if I cut out a resistor and swapped it with a different value. So this mass is now lower pitched than its counterparts. So I'm going to pause and get it hooked up, and we'll get to hear it for the first time. Alright, it's been a minute. The mass is hooked up with its cable. We got the tone chart. And I think I'm going to go with slow whoop to start off with. And now we'll activate the board. It sounds a little weird because I had to pull power off the off the Gentex strobe sync. So it's a little funky. I'm going to pause and I'm going to actually put it on true 24 volt power and see how that goes. Okay, I've hooked the mass into the non-resettable power of the smoke detector. And now I'm going to turn on the board. So this is slow whoop. I think now we'll switch it to, let's see, let's do 800 hertz. We'll do high-low or 800, 1000. Oh, that was 2400 hertz. Oops. Alright, we'll do 2400 interrupted. We already did 2400 hertz continuous. Let's do 1200 interrupted. Next we'll do sweep. And now, fast warble, which is another tone clips. There we go. That is all of our tones tested on the lower pitched system sensor mass.